Welcome to the Ruffled Daisy. Today I'm going to show you how to make some fabric flowers that you are going to want to use in all the places because they are absolutely adorable. I just had a scrap piece of wood that I am actually Mod Podging some very neutral scrapbook paper onto the back. I did not go over the edges and you'll see why at the end. This was just perfect for a background, so anything that you want it to be with your flowers on the front. I am using a satin fabric. I don't really know the exact makeup of it, but you want something that is a satin and silk finish. We are going to cut 4 circles for each flower. The small circle is about 3 inches and the large circle is about 4 inches. You can see I'm doing various colors and I'm not being perfect because you're going to see why a perfect circle it's not really needed on this project. You can see here I did like a corally pink one, a purple one, and then a white one. This is where these flowers really come to life. You are going to take a candle or a lighter and you're actually going to singe the edges of the fabric. I want to caution you that since we are playing with fire, you do need to be very careful with this. Your fabric can catch on fire, and if that happens, blow it out and just be very, very cautious. If that happens, the edge of your fabric will turn black like it's singed. You can cut that off and redo it. You can see here that on the pink ones, I just did all around the edges, and on the purple ones, I actually did the edges and the inside, and you can see just the different effects that the lighter makes on the fabric by singeing it and crinkling it up. Once you have all of your pieces the way that you want them, I'm going to place these and hot glue them down. And then I used some craft sticks or wooden dowel rods, and we cut to size to actually make the stems. We're simply placing a little bit of the hot glue on one end of the dowel rod and just twisting twine around it just to give it a little bit more natural look. Once you have the stems done, you're going to want to go ahead and glue them down. And then you can see I had some little adhesive pearls that I put in the center of each flower. And here I'm just singeing it a little bit more because I just wanted it to have a little bit more dimension. So I wanted my flowers to have leaves. And so we're taking and just cutting out some ovals out of some mint green fabric. And you have to be very careful because these are smaller pieces. And we are simply gluing them down around the stem. Now you're going to see me finish off the edges with some half wooden beads. I am simply gluing them all around, and you guys, the wooden beads just finished this project off. Check out those flowers and check out the edging. This is one of my favorite projects that I do every year, and I hope that you give it a try. If you love this project and enjoy more DIY projects for your home, please visit theruffleddaisy.org.